Oh, thank you. I appreciate that, ISP. And let's continue. I wish you the best, guys. Choose what you want to play and win some money. That's how the simple game is. So, I told you, man, spin harder. With these arms like spaghetti, man. Turbo spin for the boys. Let's go. Boys. Oh, you know what? Maybe we didn't get back-to-back crazy time, but now it's time for crazy time because top slot... Wait a minute. Can we? Oh, no! Boom! Hey, yo, got him, baby! Crazy time with the free times on the top slot, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have... Oh, mamma mia. Here we go again. Are you excited? Let's go, guys. We are the champion, my friend. 3 times crazy time. Let's go, baby. Hopefully some juicer. Alright, here we have multipliers, but you know what? Look at this. Magic happens right now with the 3 times everything. Boom. So, is it 300x or maybe it was 200? I didn't saw. So, yeah, we have a double and 300x right now, the highest ones. Choose the color. Previous time, blue got 100x. Maybe some double trouble in this one will be fancy. Choose what you want to pick. Green, blue, yellow, guys, and let's go. Wish you the best. Woo! Oh, baby! Woo! Blue ones! Absolute legends. We have a yellow 45.
Playing time, so good luck, everybody. Sheffy, I'm for sure. Hey, Sheffy, you know, you gotta be careful before you do stuff, you know. You know, just like in every life situation, you gotta be careful before you do stuff, okay? You know, you gotta reconsider everything, all the possibilities, you know. Good luck. It's like when you go on a date, you know, you reconsider every possibility that can turn out, you know. 5x on a crazy time, it is some top slot. From that day, you can all of a sudden be married, you can all of a sudden be a parent, you know. Good luck, everybody. So 5x on a crazy time, it is some top slot. Okay, right now, I'm right now, you know, what? Oh, wow. Oh, would you stop? Oh. What? Crazy time with the 5 times multiplier. Woo! Again and again and again and again and again and again and again. Yes! Woohoo! Another time, another crazy time with a 5 times multiplier, baby. Come on. Oh, yeah. That's right. Yep, that's right. Welcome to the crazy time. Welcome to the crazy time. And right now, 5x multiplier added because, you know, does not love extra french fries to their french fries. So thank you for your attention. Right now, attention please. 3 flappers are in front of you, and you gotta choose which of the flappers you feel like. No, those are not the exit signs. Those are the decisions. What you feel like is going to be with the biggest multiplier, blue, green, or yellow. Looks like the majority is going for that blue. Well, let's see. What's poppin'? Get like everybody. Woo! 400x, the biggest one. Let's go! Get like everybody. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Okay, looks like the wheel slowly stops, and it stops. Yeah! Double cheeseburger on that yellow! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Double cheeseburger on that yellow. Double cheeseburger on that yellow. 1,000x, the biggest one. Hopefully we're gonna get it. Or maybe another double cheeseburger. Come on! Another double cheeseburger, maybe. Okay! 350x on that yellow, 125x on that blue, 175x on that green. Wait, is Coldplay having a concert this weekend? Oh my dear, Coldplay is such a wonderful group. Fontella, no way! Fontella, there is no such thing as coincidence. Good luck. Before I went to the the studio to be here with you, 5x on a catch and it is some salsa. I was singing the song, Mamma Mia, here we go again. My, How can I resist you? Mamma mia, do I really know my mind? Yes, it's a cash out with a 5x multiplier, baby. Catching it is right now. Yeah, it's a cash out, baby. And right now the multipliers are applying. And a 5x multiplier, whoosha, 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 spraying you with my sunshine, whoosha, whoosha, whoosha. 5x multiplier, 400x, ladies and gentlemen, is the biggest one. Let's bring on the action, yeah! Right now the carousel, the boom, bada boom, here going on. Oh yeah, carousel is on right now. So 400x, ladies and gentlemen, yes! Woo! Right now, you gotta choose. One shot, one opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. You got to decide which one is going to be the one with that 400x, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Wow. So if you don't decide, it will automatically do the decision for you. So good luck, everybody. Let's go. Decisions are made. Inhale, everybody. Right now, your yoga instructor, Signa, is here to instruct you. Inhale right now. So that 500x, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, inhale, everybody. Take that deep breath. And right now, you got to, when the multipliers reveal, yes, you got to exhale, okay? So everybody right now, I don't see you tempo doing that. Inhale. Inhale. Decisions are done. Inhale, everybody. And exhale. Multipliers reveal. Woo! On the upper right side there, 500x, they're smiling. Congratulations to all the winners out there. Woohoo! It's a celebration. 9,623 winners out there. DTJ, guess your time.
Finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.